Hello, Google Learning students. My name is Miss Christine. I want to share something really special with you today. Something I use every day called a calendar. I'm going to write calendar here for us so that we can see what letters we're using when we say the word calendar. Calendar. Yeah. A calendar lets us see what day today is. Our lesson this week is about numbers. And we see a lot of numbers happening here on our calendar, right? Every day that we live has a number. So, actually, here in America, next week is a really, really big famous holiday. We call this holiday Thanksgiving. You can see here on this pie, this calendar was made for me. Why? Why was this calendar made for me? My name! Good! My name, Christine, is on the calendar. Yeah. Then we can look and say, what day is this day? What day is today? Let's see. It's November, right? We know that month is November. In Chinese, we say 10月, right? For November, 10月. In English, we say November. We know the year is 2018, right? 2018. So then we can say, okay, is it Sunday, right? Monday, 星期一. Tuesday, 星期二. Wednesday, 星期三. Thursday, 星期四. Friday, 星期五. Saturday, 星期六. And Sunday, 星期日或者星期天, right? 好, okay, so next we can ask ourselves, so for me today is November 18th. So today is a Sunday. Cool. So can we say together what this is? I want to hear. This is a calendar. Good. This is a calendar. Can we say it one more time? Calendar. Good. Calendar. And on this day, we celebrate Thanksgiving. Yes, we celebrate a holiday called Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving. Good. Thanksgiving. Good. Good job, students. So this leads us into talking about numbers. Good. So let's start with numbers 1 through 10, right? Let's start with the number 1. Yeah. the number 1. 1. Just one little car we see here. Just one. 1. Yeah. Can we say it together? 1. 1. Good. 1. Good. Good. 1. 1 pen. The next number that comes is 2. 2. When we have 2 blue pens. 2. Can we say 2? Say 1, 2. 2. Good. 2. Good. 2. Let's find it here. Oh, second one right here. 2, right? We have 1 little goat, 2 little goats. 2. Good. 2. Yeah. Next, we have 3. 3. So now I have 3 blue pens. Can we count 1 and 2? 2 and 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Can we count 1, 2, 3? 3. Can you say 3? Good. 3. Yeah. 3. Good. One more time. 3. 3. Good. Now let's find it here. We see 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Next up we have 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4.